We only had 3 dogs.
What about the first 2 that went by before that?
There was 1 dog and then another 2 in front of him.
No, there was 2
I
before
saw 3.
that. Before those 3.
There was 5.
You're drunk.
You're drunk.
Okay, so
Did your exchange get hacked?
yes, yes, my exchange got hacked.
Was it
Spencer.
decentralized?
No, of course not.
There's your first problem.
There's my okay. So why don't we so another large crypto exchange was hacked, and a lot of people lost their money, and the crypto exchange is claiming that they're going to cover people, but they might not. So why don't we just go over the basics of what you wanted to ask me about exchanges?
So, is the server down?
No, the server's not down. It's not maintenance. It's been hacked. All your coins are gone.
Are you sure all my coins are gone?
I'm positive. If you've left them on an exchange and the exchange got hacked, all your coins are gone.
Can I get my money back?
They're gonna say you can, and there might be an ongoing thing, but most likely, like Mt. Gox, you're never gonna get your money back.
Are you telling me another exchange got hacked and they're not gonna pay out?
I'm telling you, another exchange got hacked, all the money's gone, and they're not gonna pay out. So ultimately, the only way to avoid this is
not store your coins on.
not store your coins on exchanges. Now you might be asking, which exchange is Alex referring to? Well, Spencer?
This is a generic exchange video.
This is a generic exchange video because they generically keep getting hacked this way. So what are we going to do to make sure we don't get hacked on exchanges?
We're going to rewatch this video in 2 to 3 weeks.
That's right. And you know what? It'll be just as relevant then as it is now. So yeah, put your coins in a hardware wallets. Don't be that guy. Don't be that guy. All right, you're that guy right there. I see you. Everyone else, the rest, they all left. You're that. Stop being that guy.
Crypto Kings out.
That's right. Okay, next topic.